So I'm walking my way down to work. I walk across this creek. As you can see, frozen solid. The whole thing is frozen. The other side is too. There's just like what was left over from all the snow that came down. I think it was like 9 degrees last night. It was terrible. Looking around, there aren't many. There isn't as much as grass. There is not as much snow now, but there was a bunch of snow. It's so weird. Here, I'm about to cross the street so I can show you. Oof, it's so cold. It's actually 32 right now. The temperature is supposed to dip, and I think another winter storm is coming. So yeah, I might have a bunch of free time this week. Here, about to cross the street, I'll show you some more. And for these cars. But you can see, like, along here, you can see, like, the ice is completely, like, all over the road. Oh. Like, right here. It's all snow. And then here we get, like, sludge. Watch out for that. Don't slip. I can't show the cars, but the cars are like covered in ice. Like, I live in Texas. Like, this is like Texans aren't prepared for this. And given that another winter storm is on its way, we might actually have another shutdown. I personally, like, I'm ready for it. I'm so used to staying inside my own home that I'm not even like I don't even mind it. But yeah, as you can see, the snow along the trees, along the move car. There's snow everywhere. Whew. By the way, guys, we're at 340 subscribers. If we can get 400, I will do something special. Don't know what it is, but... Or actually, I do know what it is. I have the game. I just won't do it until we hit the 400 subs. Yeah, let's actually go up to this creek here so you can see what it looks like. Maybe the lake's frozen. I don't hear the fountains. No, the lake's not frozen, but... Oh, nope. It's so weird. Alright, well, I'm going to shut this off because my battery's about to die. So, let's show a quick little... Alright, the water's not frozen. Oh well. Anyway, kind of cool though. As you can see, I'm like all bundled up. Anyway, guys, see you all later. Bye.